Welcome to the best picks. The best Yfz450r is probably one of the most iconic and high-performing sport ATVs ever built, renowned for its championship-winning heritage and exhilarating power delivery that makes every ride an adrenaline-fueled adventure. If you're looking to dominate the dunes, conquer the track, or simply experience the thrill of a top-tier quad, then you've come to the right place to discover why this machine continues to set the benchmark for performance and excitement in the ATV world. Number 5. FXCNC CNC Aluminum Short Adjustable Levers. These adjustable brake and clutch levers are designed for a range of Yamaha models. They fit various Raptor 700, Yfz450, and Raptor 250 models from 2008 to 2022, ensuring broad compatibility for your ride. Crafted from high-grade T6061, T6 aluminum using precision CNC machining, these levers offer superior quality. They are light-grade and lightweight, contributing to better performance and handling. The levers feature an anodized finish, which significantly enhances their durability. This process makes them resistant to wear and tear, ensuring they won't easily fade over time. With a length of 14.2 centimeters, these levers are designed for a comfortable 3-finger grip. They are approximately 1 inch shorter than original levers, offering a more compact feel. Enjoy personalized comfort with their 6-position lever adjustment. You can easily fine-tune the distance between your hands and these levers using a simple set screw, ensuring a perfect fit for your grip. These levers are specifically engineered for a wide range of Yamaha models. This includes various Raptor 250, 700, and Yfz450 series, covering many years of production. What we like. These levers are crafted from high-grade CNC T6061, T6 aluminum, ensuring both durability and a lightweight feel. Their 6-position adjustability allows for precise customization to fit your hand size and riding style. If you're looking for enhanced control and personalized comfort on your Yfz450r, these adjustable short levers are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Niche Brake Pad Kit for Yamaha Raptor 700/700r Yfz450r. Introducing this premium brake pad kit, specifically designed for your Yamaha Raptor and Yfz models. It provides reliable and consistent braking performance for both front and rear wheels. These brake pads are engineered to be fully compatible with various Yamaha OEM part numbers. You can trust them to integrate perfectly with your existing system. They fit a broad selection of Yamaha Raptor 700, 700r, and Yfz450 models from 2006 to 2019. Check the full list to ensure a perfect match for your ATV. Each pad is meticulously engineered and rigorously tested. They meet or even exceed the original part standards, ensuring top-tier performance and safety. Designed as a direct replacement, installation is straightforward. The front pads are ceramic, while the rear pads are semi-metallic, offering optimal braking characteristics. With these pads, quality and performance are guaranteed. Experience enhanced control and confidence on every ride. What we like. This brake pad kit offers a direct replacement for your factory brake pads, ensuring a seamless fit and easy installation. It features a ceramic compound for the front and semi-metallic for the rear, providing balanced and reliable stopping power. If you need dependable braking performance that meets or exceeds original standards, this kit is designed to deliver consistent quality. What people say. Number 3. Yamaha GYTR Yfz450 aluminum engine frame skid plate. Push your Yamaha to its limits with confidence. Off-road adventures demand robust protection for your vital components. Introducing the GYTR Yfz450 aluminum engine frame skid plate. This essential accessory is designed to safeguard your ATV's core. It provides crucial defense for your frame, steering stem sleeve, engine, and other chassis components. Keep your ride safe from impacts and debris. Crafted from strong, lightweight 0.16 thick 5052 aluminum alloy sheet metal, it offers superior durability without adding unnecessary weight. This plate is engineered to withstand the harshest conditions. Designed specifically for Yfz450r, 2009 to 2026, and Yfz450x, 2010 to 2011, models. Please note, it cannot be installed with a plastic frame glide plate. What we like. This GYTR skid plate is engineered from strong, lightweight 0.16-inch thick 5052 aluminum alloy. It provides crucial protection for your frame, engine, and chassis components from impacts and debris. If you frequently ride in challenging terrain and want to safeguard your ATV's vital parts, this durable skid plate is a must-have. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as per instructions. Number 2. Yamaha Quick Release Fastener Kit Yfz450r. This is the Yamaha Quick Release Fastener Kit, designed for specific ATV models. It provides a reliable and efficient fastening solution. Identified by its model number 18PF17B2V100, this kit ensures you get the exact part you need. It is built with quality and precision for durability. It is specifically engineered to fit the Yfz450X models from 2010 to 2011. This ensures a perfect and secure fit for your vehicle. Furthermore, it is compatible with the Yfz450r models manufactured between 2009 and 2012. You can rely on its performance across these vehicles. Upgrade your ATV with this essential kit for quick and secure component attachment. It simplifies maintenance and enhances your riding experience. What we like. This kit features quick-release fasteners, designed to simplify the process of removing and reattaching body panels. It significantly reduces the time and effort required for maintenance and access to internal components. If you value efficiency and want to make your ATV's upkeep much faster and easier, this quick-release kit is an ideal upgrade. What people say. Number 1. Yamaha Yfz450r ATV Fuel Pump. This high-performance fuel pump is specifically designed for Yamaha Yfz450r models. It ensures a perfect fit for your ATV from 2009 to 2018, replacing part number 8210486. Experience superior performance with this top-quality fuel pump. It's engineered to deliver consistent fuel flow, keeping your ATV running smoothly. Rest assured, this fuel pump meets or even exceeds original equipment manufacturer standards. You're getting a product that performs just like, or better than, the original part. Its OEM-style design ensures seamless integration into your ATV system. Installation is straightforward, getting you back on the trails faster. PWC Engine is committed to providing higher quality parts at an awesome price. Get the performance you need without breaking the bank. What we like. This ATV fuel pump is designed to deliver high performance, meeting or exceeding OEM standards for reliable operation. It ensures consistent fuel delivery to your engine, crucial for optimal power and smooth running. If you're experiencing fuel delivery issues or want to ensure peak engine performance, this high-quality replacement pump is a smart investment. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.